Morning guys, and in front of me is Realme C67, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts, passwords and accounts, and mark plus icon which is for add account. Now select Google as we want to add a Google account, and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is an email address. And once it is provided, tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And once you enter the password, just click on next. Now tap on I agree. Select more, accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Whenever you wish to remove it, just mark remove account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.